Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
I can't help you access pirated sites. Instead, start with legal alternatives you control. You should confirm copyright status and get a library card or institutional login. Once done, search open access repositories and author-posted PDFs for free legal copies. Make sure to note edition and format needs so you locate the correct file. These first steps avoid legal risk and often yield high-quality versions quickly. So begin by verifying rights and signing into your local library or university portal. Next, use your library catalog and subject databases to locate the exact title and edition you need. If your library lacks it, request an interlibrary loan or submit a purchase suggestion. These processes usually take days to weeks, but are legitimate. Also search academic repositories, preprint servers, and the author's website for legally shared copies. Once you've placed a request, track its status and plan alternatives, such as borrowing a physical copy or using course reserves if available. Finally, access the material via your library's app or approved PDF reader and respect DRM and borrowing periods. Make sure to download or check out within allowed limits and sync across devices if the service supports it. If you cannot find a legal copy, contact a librarian for help or submit a formal purchase request. Librarians can suggest workarounds like course reserves or chapter scans. Troubleshooting tip: if access fails, verify institutional login and ask the library to escalate the request.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.